Hello students, welcome ulit sa online tutorial natin. So, continue tayo with problem number 7. So, for problem number 7, we have integral of cosecant h x over 2 times. Actually, no. Itong mga problems na to, mga madadali lang. Okay, I think ang purpose na nito is to check if ever you can memorize this one. Ha? So, again dapat i-memorize nyo lang to. So, for cosecant cotangent, I think meron tayo dito, which is negative cosecant x. Ito. Cosecant h. Ano bang tamang pasa nito? Basta, ito cosecant h. So, anyway, that's negative x. Notice, instead of x, we have x over 2. So, meaning, we will have a neutralizing factor reciprocal of the derivative of x over 2. Derivative of x over 2 is 1 over 2. Therefore, reciprocal of 1 over 2 is 2. Diba? 2 over 1. So, our answer will be 2. That is our neutralizing factor multiplied by the negative cosecant h of x over 2. Yan. And then, plus c. So, again, I hope okay tayo. So, our answer should be very easily. Let's just negative 2. Yan. Okay. So, I think that's it. Anyway, check natin sa answer key natin kung same lang ba. Saan ba yun? Yep, same lang. Sige. So, same pa rin. For questions, comment down below. Salamat sa panonood and see you sa next problem, which is problem number 10. Number 8.